Linus to the grace. Love me 40 like Linus, love his sheet. Robert Ory, I'm proficient with the D. Purgatory if you try to take my cheese. Let me breathe, please. I am not a man, I'm a beast. Product of a plan, so to speak. No crazy bitch that'll fight a nigga quick. Matter of fact, rest in peace, Della Reese. Ugly nigga, bad bitch on her knees. She tried to get a trip overseas. Said, baby, bless you like the chicks need. Bitch, only get dick out of me. My niggas cut the pod, then they ghost. Mass on Glock 30s in the coat. Okay. If you ain't with the shits, let me know. All my niggas get wits, want to smoke, give me no.
Got a real bad bitch from Belize. She like to smoke on a whole lot of way. She bought 4 more hoes and all of them go damn right. That's a basketball team. Dirty money got a young nigga clean. I'm a ball like my name is Socrates. Free Flair in the Midwest, came Midwest all the way back to DC. Yeah, big man, follow my lead. If it ain't about money, you ain't got what I need. Can I live? Can a young nigga eat? American pie, can a nigga get a piece? I am at a level that you never gon' reach. No rapper that had no trick up my sleeve. These rappers sell they soul in they contract lease. You better drop a towel if I see you in my teeth. Money, value, glory, Mr. MVG. MWK, I'm the Midwest king. Money, value, glory, Mr. MVG. MWK, I'm the Midwest king. Let's go.
Keep your head up, rise, do whatever to survive. Cause a nigga is your downfall. Stay yourself, here, licks, no witness, no tricks. Cause a nigga is your downfall.